Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. We are back on the road, as you can tell. We back. It's time to get back to it. Right now, we are at the sand mine. I just put in my information so I can get loaded. And yeah, that's what we're getting into today. Right now, we are behind some trucks, behind the sand mine right here. Then we're gonna get loaded. Other than that, that's what we got going. Probably after this load, I need to go pick up some license plates. I need to go pick up some license plates. So I'm probably gonna go pick that up. Yeah, I got the GoPro with me now. So probably gonna have some better footage. I got the GoPro with me now when I'm getting loaded or unloaded and just showing y'all what I do in the day to day. Haven't decided how I'm gonna use that just yet, but right now I'm just showing y'all this is the beginning of my day. I arrive at this sand plant, I put in my information, then I wait behind some trucks to get loaded. They call these silos. So those are like sand silos that hold sand, and they put it on this little conveyor belt, and then they drop the sand down below. In my hopper, and you have all types of trailers that's pulling up. You have sand boxes, you have phonetics trailers. I think that's what that's called. But you have those trailers coming, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what we got going on for today. First day back at work. First day of the work week. We're gonna be working all the way up until Saturday to complete this work week, and be looking for this Christmas pay. So I'm very excited about that. Let's see what else got going on. What else I got going on? Oh, I need to go probably do 1 load or 2 loads today. Then tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up the license plates. I at least want to be able to have 2 loads in, and then tomorrow I'll slowly go take care of business. But first thing first, I gotta go pick up them license plates. Not first thing first. First thing first, I gotta make some money. Yeah, first thing first, I gotta go make some money. So if we making some money, then we're gonna go pick up them license plates. But right now, I'm just chilling. I'm about to look at some sports betting stuff and put some tickets together. Then I'm about to post it on TikTok. You can follow my TikTok at Chaseway, and that's where I'll be posting all my TikTok stuff at. So if you're interested in sports betting, head up over there. But I'll see y'all in the next clip. Yo, what's going on? Chaseway back. We back in this thing. As y'all can tell, I went grocery shopping and some more. But now we waiting. We behind some trucks and stuff. We waiting, and what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to go into my little workshop. This is where I turn around and sit on my little thing. I forgot what it's called. My little cooler. I put that on my cooler, and I get active. I get busy right here. Pull out my little notebook, and it's time to do the thing. But yeah, this is mainly what we do. Working out here in West Texas. Get loaded, come to they call this like the staging pad where all the drivers got to report to. And once you report here, you can move on from there after waiting in line with everybody. So that's what we got going on. And that's what I'm about to do for today. So other than that, I'm about to start reading and watching some videos about crypto and stuff. And then once I finish that, gonna make me a sandwich. So when it's time to make a sandwich, I'll turn y'all back on. So I'll see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we back in this thing. Let me set this right here so I can get everything situated. pull out my handy dandy paper plate. Paper plate, do I need anything from here? Nope. No, I don't need nothing from here. I need some chips. That's about it. Just pull out the first chip that I get. Nothing specific. I don't really have a taste for anything. Well, yeah, I don't really have nothing. I don't have a taste for anything specific. I see some Funyuns right here, so I'm gonna grab these. Grab some Funyuns, making, and now I just gotta worry about the type of sandwich I want. But the best thing about this, I bought me some smoked turkey breast, and I bought some honey ham. So I'm gonna be making a sandwich of those two. Then I also bought me some some mustard and some spicy brown mustard. So I got both of these for my sandwiches. I said I really want to save money, so it's been a long time since I bought myself some sandwich meat, and I've been surviving on noodles for long enough. So it's time to just make one sandwich and be good with that. And the best thing about this is I bought my own, so one sandwich, however I want it, it's gonna be good for me. Now the only thing that I do gotta worry about is just warming it up, because I don't do no cold sandwiches. That's what we not doing. Let me get that. So let me get that right. And I plan on eating this for about a good week and a half. They're talking about some pull here. Where I pull here at? Oh, like right here. There we go. Get about a good 3 slices of that. Much easier, much easier. About 3 slices of that. And then I got pepper jack and I got Swiss cheese. I got that good kind of cheese. I had individual dividers. So we're gonna put pepper jack at the bottom, well, in the middle, and then we're gonna put 3 more slices right here. And we're gonna be done with the turkey. And we're gonna put 3 more slices right here. And this kind of better stop me from like stopping at Subway at the truck stop, because it's normally Chester, Subway, or anything that Loves that I can eat there. But buying all this kind of helped me out. All right, I got 1 pepper jack on there already. Let's close this properly. Gotta make sure everything fresh. All right, now we got the Swiss cheese. This turning out to be a nice little thick sandwich. I think I might slowly enjoy doing this. Alright. Can't say I don't know how to make a good sandwich. Look at this. Tell me this don't look good. Nice size. It's gonna be a nice, well put sandwich. A nice, well put together sandwich. Put that on for a minute. Let that cook all the way through. And one of these meals, I'm gonna slice up some sausage and just eat that with mustard. So that's kind of why I also bought the mustard. Yeah, I got about an hour. Well, I probably got like 3 hours of waiting. So I got plenty of time. So I'm gonna eat, watch some YouTube. I already did like let me see. Go to sport. So these are my sports betting tickets. I'm gonna put them on the screen. I got Kevin Durant to have 35 or more points, rebound, and assists against Golden State, and Brooklyn to win. I got Giannis will have more than 40 points plus rebounds and assists against Cavaliers and to win. I got Jason Tatum to score 26 or more points against the Indiana Pacers. Buddy Hield will score 2 or more threes against 3-pointers against Boston Celtics, and Joel Embiid will score 26 or more points against Detroit Pistons. And I got Davidson, college men's basketball to win. And then I got Southern Utah to cover the spread plus 11.5 against Colorado. And then I got Trae Young to score 25 or more points against Chicago Bulls. And I got Paulo Banchero will score 17 or more points against Houston Rockets. So those are my picks right there. Okay, I got my sandwich. Okay, so now we got that going on. Let's open this. And I really like it because you can tell like the cheese nice and melted. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Not that bad. Put spicy brown at the top and bottom. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. And then this is what this is looking like. So let me go on and put this together. Alright, I'm sure y'all want to see what I'm about to do. So this is what I like to call don't make no mess. So we got that right there. And then put my chips right there. I bought some assorted cutlery, so it's only right if I grab one of these. Alrighty, let me put this up. Let me show y'all this masterpiece. Show y'all this masterpiece. I might have to start selling plates or something. What y'all know about this? What y'all know about that? What y'all know about that? Looking real scrumdiddlyumptious, ain't it? Looking real scrumdiddlyumptious, ain't it? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. One thing that I did forget to get was pickles. And I was on that aisle too. And I was like, I need to get me some pickles. But I forgot. So that's about the only thing that's missing. It's pickles. I got some jalapenos for sure. I know that for sure. But I forgot to get some pickles. But it's alright. This would do. First bite. Now that's the sandwich. But let's not forget I think it's here. I got some peach mango green tea. It has caffeine in it, but I'm trying to see, will I be taking a nap? I'm gonna save this for later because I might want to take a nap. Yeah, I might want to take a nap, and I don't need to be drinking caffeine and trying to nap too. So I'm gonna finish this off, and it's gonna end my first day back to work. Y'all take care, Driver Squad. I'll see y'all in another video tomorrow. And I'll show y'all what my second day back is like. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.